going on, everyone? Rusty here. Today I've got a hanger box of 2020 Topps update. I picked this up from a local Walgreens, and the advantage to that is you do get these yellow base card parallels. They're only exclusive to Walgreens, so if you're looking to pick those up, that's the way to do it. So same price as buying these anywhere else, Walmart, Target, $9.99 or $9.98. So still readily available. My local Walgreens had several. I only bought one. So we'll see how it goes. But there's the odds of what you can get if you guys are interested. But if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I try to bring out new content as often as I can. Those that are returning, appreciate the continued support. Look forward to sharing more with you guys. You'll see, there's the cards. Take these out of there. Haven't done a hanger box in a while, but forgot that these are always easier to open from the bottom. All right, so there's the empty box. That's what you get there. A couple of inserts, different things like that in the middle, just as common as any of the others. Let's see what we've got. Kind of just split it in the middle here. All right. Got a Starling Marte, Andrew Suarez, Miguel Cabrera, Julio Teheran. I believe that's just base. Drew Pomeranz, Giancarlo. Chris Davinsky, Sakino, Derek Collin, Anthony Rizzo, Tom Castro, Gavin Lux. And I will be going back through these after the video here. Look for short prints. There are the base cards, obviously. Then there's 3 different variations. There's SPS, SSP, and then SSSP in this series. So, Albert Pujols, Zach Wheeler, Houston Astros, Andrew McCutchen, another Pujols. The All-Star, Tukey, Bath, Jalen Weeks, Ryan Howard, another Miguel Cabrera. Congratulations. Looks like I got a relic in this, obviously. Jock Pederson. Game used All-Star jersey. Go ahead and sleeve that up real fast. All right, moving along. So we got a Kenley Jensen rainbow, Ted Williams, Yohan Moncada, Corey Kluber, Anthony Rendon, Spenny Grandal, Carter Kieboom, Joey Bart, and then here's some of the yellows coming up. That's a big difference there. Starlin Castro, Domingo Santana, Rich Hill, Ryan Weber, Bartolo Colon, Clayton Kershaw, Sam Haggerty. So it looks like it's going to be it for insert-wise, as I always tend to pack those right in the middle. Drew Smiley. Nice Mike Trout. Wilson, Alex Reyes, Daniel Descalso, Cabrera. You guys done any hanger boxes? What's the big hit you've gotten out of here? Jacob deGrom, Stakis, Devin Williams, Edwin Encarnacion. Let's see if we look there. So it ends in 1588, I believe, is the base. So David Price, sorry guys. Nice Mike Trout again. Oh, a third Trout. I'll take it. Nice Cody Bellinger. And a Josh Lindblom. So, big hit of the box at least. It's hitting this relic here. Jock Pederson. All-Star jersey from 2015. Not bad. Like I said, $10 for the hanger box. You do get quite a few cards. Like I said, I'll have to go back through and see what we got as far as short prints go. But Update's always one of those products every year. You never know. Kind of hang on to them, and a couple years down the road, you never know what you got. Anyway, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Like I said, if you're new, those that are returning, please stick with me. Got more coming. Lots more to share with you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.